Hi everyone, my name is Susan and this is Chick Flicks, and today I'm going to be reacting to another episode of Breaking Bad, Season 2, Episode 2. It's called Grilled. So last episode, Jesse and Walt pretty much got kidnapped by Tuco, so I don't know how they're going to get out of this. So let's just hop right into it. Okay, we're out in the middle of nowhere. Oh man, I don't like this. Okay. Oh, okay. We have shells. What's happening? Okay. What is going on? The captain. Oh my god, is this like a after and then we're gonna go back in time? Yeah.
All right, everybody, listen up. Tuco Salamanca.
Tuco.
You were not with us this morning. We raided his headquarters. Also, his last known address. The face, study the file, get a big old raging hard-on at piece of shit.
Piece of shit.
HR department.
Yeah, Hank. Let's get into it, man.
Say he is a prime suspect in the disappearance of our dearly missed Crazy Eight. El Paso says he's got some kind of cartel connection. Yeah. I know it's actual, honest-to-God evidence. It's one of Tuco's henchmen. Gonzo. This rocket scientist was moving No-Dose's body, either hiding it there. He got his arm crushed clean off. Anyone want to see the photos? They're on my... We got us a nice, big, juicy, bloody fingerprint. Senor Tuco. Christmas came early. The Schrader household. Provided we find this guy. So to all present, I ask you, you want to find this guy?
Yeah.
What the hell was that? Jesus. Want to try that again? Want to find this guy?
Yeah.
Are we going to find this guy?
Yes. Yes.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Do a little robot, right?
Listen, I gotta take some personal time.
Now, in the middle of a manhunt?
Huh.
I called last night. It's Walt. He's missing. Just disappeared from the house.
Yeah.
You don't think he...
No, we don't think
Or
he... No. Yeah, he's missing, and so is Jesse. Is this episode just all about Hank? Okay, we're investigating the car. He's gonna find something.
This is the most recent photo. We haven't taken many lately, so...
Yeah, this is helpful. Good. What about height and weight?
5'11", he weighs a little less.
That's fine. That's close enough. Good. Medications?
Yes, I wrote them all down, and there's no drug interactions, none that are listed.
Has he been
Yeah,
depressed?
she's on top of this. Yes, he's been depressed. Yes.
Been withdrawn lately, a little withdrawn.
Depressed.
He agitated, upset.
Upset in general or upset because of something particular?
Him, what was wrong? He said, I don't know where to begin. What about the phone call? Walt's cell phone rang. He pulled it out, looked at it. A short time after, he wandered out of the bathroom. I mean, important, right?
Anything else you can think of?
Anything else? Card providers, and there's no report of any recent activity. I checked with every hospital within 50 miles, every police station, every morgue.
Oh, man.
No worries.
So that cell phone call she's talking about, I ran it.
And?
Never happened.
Second cell phone.
What? Oh, second cell phone. Okay, got it. I was like, okay, here's Tuco. Maybe Jesse and Walter got away. Or maybe he made a deal with them or something to work with him. Or maybe they're in the trunk. Yeah, we gotta be in the trunk. Oh, he does not look good. Okay, he's moving.
I understand.
Ouch! Get away from me! I hope I bleed like a mother too! That way you have to clean it up!
Sure right, retard. I got a clean check. Now get out. Get up. Get up.
Oh, man. How are we gonna get out of this?
Don't do this, Tuco.
Poor Skylar. She's talking to Marie again.
I don't think he'll hurt himself. I mean, he just doesn't strike me as the type. Okay, the whole tiara thing, I just find it bewildering.
Marie.
He's gonna find the money. Oh. I thought he was gonna like stumble and find the money or something. Is this where Tuco lives? He's got like a crap load of money. And it's his dad, right?
Empty your pockets. Thought your name was Heisenberg. Walter Hartwell White. I like doing business with a family, man. There's always a lot of collateral.
Oh my god, Tuco, why you gotta be so ridiculous? Like, these guys are doing something for you and you kidnap them. He was gonna make them a lot of money too. Like, why is he doing this? Okay. Is this like a hug of...
Answer me one thing. Can I trust you?
Yes.
Yeah.
DA. Hit my place of business this morning.
Okay.
You two haven't been talking, right? Oh. Everybody except Gonzo. It's weird, right? Don't you think that that's weird?
It's weird. Yes.
Yes, sir. It's weird.
Get Gonzo on the phone. He's been acting all pouty on account of... How's it my fault that that little bitch did not know his place? I can see the future, you know? It's the skip that I have. Deep. I think we're gonna come and try and bust me. Gonzo. You son of a bitch! I trusted him like a brother! Hey, Gonzo, I'm gonna go! I'm gonna shoot him! I'm gonna stop his eye for him! Child of my crew! It's gonna be like a lesson to myself! You never trust a people!
He just wants someone to love him.
So, you plan to...
Gonzo is currently operating as a police informant. I'm very sorry to hear that. That's disappointing.
Sorry, Tuco.
They're looking for me right now. They got ghetto birds and black ops. I need to get good and high.
Yeah, that'll help.
What's with this gag? It smells like head cheese.
That's the
It's killer.
that's the stuff that has the whatchamacallit, the beans, right?
Last night, I came up with this great idea. Mexico. We'll disappear way out in the jungle. We'll set you up in a super lab. No federales are gonna mess with us because I got my people there. Connections.
I have a wife and family.
So what?
Just uproot my life like that.
Yeah, man. I mean, me neither. Stink or no stink. One bump, you'll be flying. It's a new product him and I've been working up.
He's gonna say, you guys do it.
A secret ingredient.
He doesn't trust it.
Chili powder. I hate chili powder.
Oh, I thought he was gonna be like, you guys do it first.
This is blue magic. This is money. Clean the manure out from between your ears.
No, I need him to. He's my partner. And if he doesn't go, I don't go.
Smuggle us back down and they're gonna be here by sunset and you're gonna be on that truck or you're gonna be dead!
Oh, how do we get out of this?
The fact they haven't found him yet bodes well. Well, you know, somebody would have smelled something.
Oh, shut up.
The second cell phone.
Oh, Jesus.
What? We can't just ignore a
Okay, what are you talking about?
Why didn't he tell her?
The call you said Walt got before he disappeared, there's no record of it with... He must have a second phone.
Why?
I don't know, Sky. What do you want me to say? It means Walt has a secret.
He's got a big secret.
Okay. Oh, Skylar, come on. He kept cancer from you for
You having an affair? Walt, please.
What about the marijuana?
He's not on pot anymore.
Chemotherapy and marijuana go together like apple pie and Chevrolet. Addicted to the pot, and he owes his drug dealer a lot of money.
Marie.
She's getting somewhere.
You have to question this drug dealer person. He may know something.
Hi, I'm looking for Jesse. You around?
No, I'm afraid not.
See about my brother-in-law, Walter White. He taught your son chemistry in high school. It's my understanding that he and Jesse, they've stayed in touch.
Really?
Mom doesn't know a damn thing.
In touch with your son. Like I said, we're kind of desperate for leads.
And why do you think my son and Mr. White would be in touch?
I don't necessarily. I just...
Are you with the police?
No, ma'am, not at all. I'm with the Drug Enforcement Administration.
Oh my God. Did you get a lawyer? You know, you don't seem very forthright about this, coming here and asking.
I swear to you, I'm not here in official capacity. I do not care what your son may or may not. I just want to find my brother-in-law. His wife is worried sick. She's got a baby.
I'm sorry. I would like to help you, but I have not seen my son in over a month.
That's sad.
Money on his education, as he has on that ridiculous bouncing car.
Tell me, hey.
Man, Hank is
Nah,
just
not
getting
yet. Hey,
closer
listen,
and
give me a shot.
closer.
Got a '89 Chevy. I want to know if the car's got a low jack. It's one of those jack-off lowriders, so I'm betting it's got a good shot that there is.
He's got a bell.
Chili powder. Did I not already tell you how moronic that was? You leaving my gun? Huh? First you boost it, then you leave it in your house? How was I supposed to know you were chauffeuring Tuco to my doorstep?
Even in this situation, they're still bickering. Uh-oh. They're on TV. He's like barely there. He doesn't know what's happening. What's the plan? What are we doing?
If he finds out that Gonzo is dead and not a police informant, who does he automatically blame? We need a plan. Think. I'm thinking I'll go for his gun. Crack him over the head with something.
Fly swatter, that'll do it.
Get him to take this. Oh, you don't much like the taste of jelly pea. That much has been established.
You're looking a little weak, Heisenberg. I don't want you to go belly up before we get there.
He's gonna sprinkle that stuff all over his food. Oh God, he's gonna put him in front of the other guy? Yeah. He's gonna give him the other plate. The bell. What does the bell mean?
You ate first. That's the deal. Oh, yeah, greedy old bastard. tell you, Heisenberg. Old people. You feed them, huh?
Oh.
What did you do that for?
He's trying to tell him, like, he put some stuff in that food, by the way. Ugh. He's yeah, he's got the bell going. Does he have to go to the bathroom?
You tell me that you're hungry. Don't go there. What, you don't like them?
Okay, that was probably a yes.
You don't trust them?
Clearly, some dementia. He's not lucid. Shh.
Something that you don't like?
Mm.
What did they do to you? What did you do to my deal?
Nothing.
Bullshit!
I did change the channel on his TV, but the...
Yeah, that's it. While you were... Did they change your mamitas? Are they bonking me?
Oh my god, I just... Oh man, is this gonna go really bad?
Hugo!
Oh. Come on, Tuco.
I don't want to die. Tell me what you did, Walter! Jesus.
We tried to poison you. You're an insane, degenerate piece of filth, and you deserve to die.
Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay. Let's go.
The keys.
Oh shit.
Cousins.
That's right. Okay, this is so bad. I wonder how many of them. So he got shot like in the stomach, so it would be a miracle if he survived, right? Oh, it's Hank.
What the hell's going on?
Jesse Pinkman. Hard man to find.
I can't breathe. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Mm. Ugh. horrible at aiming. Oh. Come on, Hank. I knew that was gonna happen.
God. Oh, God. Hank. What? Oh, my God. What? Oh, my God.
Can't let him see you. I knew that was going to be the end. I knew it. All right, that was the end of me watching Grilled. Wow. I honestly thought that Tuco was going to kidnap them and take them to Mexico. Like, I thought it was going to continue. And Jesse and Walter are still missing, according to everybody else. Like, where are they going to go? What are they going to do? What kind of, like, scene are they going to set up? Like, oh, we did get kidnapped and, you know, the guy let us go or whatever. Like, I wonder how that's going to go down in the next episode. So, wow. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to talk about the show. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.